Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Maytag dryer that is not heating in 2026. Now, heating problems are often caused by airflow blockages, electrical supply issues, or sometimes failed heating components. So in this video, we will be taking a look at how you can fix it. So you need to start by removing the lint from the lint screen and inspecting the exhaust vent hose. The blocked airflow is one of the most common reasons why dryers stop heating properly. So you need to simply check for the vent line for proper lint buildup, crust sections, or exterior vent blockages. Now, electric Maytag dryers require full 240 volt power in order to reduce the heat. So if one side of the breaker trips, the dryer drum may still spin while heat stops completely. So in this case, you just have to simply reset the breaker and inspect the outlet if it is needed. For the electric dryers, a damaged heating element can stop the heating generation. For gas models, you can just simply inspect the igniter, flame sensor, and the gas valve coils if the burner fails to ignite properly. Now, after doing so, you can also disconnect the power for about 2 to 3 seconds for it to reboot the control board and clear the temporary system faults. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.